Alright, here's my first jumbo break, 3-box break. We'll call it break number 1 for my tracking purposes. And hopefully it doesn't take a whole 30 minutes. We'll see.
I'll let you open the first box. Wow, they
different
even open
packaging.
different cellophane.
Oh, tougher.
Nice. Does it tell you how many packs? 12 packs, 32 cards per pack. Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Take your time going through the crumbs.
These are huge. Huh.
Be careful opening these. It seems a little different packaging. So.
Okay.
Alright. First jumbo pack.
Now, are these the same cards that we're opening, just packaged differently?
Yep.
Okay.
Bunch of base. Alright, on to a couple chromes here. Jason Wilson Rays, Sean Vallarotti Blue Jays, Ty Hensley Ice, Mike Zunino on the dual, Aoki Chrome, Hefner Mets Chrome, some more base.
Are we reading all the chrome or no?
Warren Chrome, Poppet Chrome. Okay.
Yes? Okay. I have Sanchez Chrome. I have a dual on the right is the Mariners. I have a Pastor Nicky Braves
That's
Chrome.
not real, the Chrome.
Well, you're the one that said to
know,
do it. Ooh, I got an autograph. Shane Watson.
Refractor.
Philadelphia Phillies refractor. I say it in my own order. He like prints his name. It's not really a signature. Alright, now we're back to just regular paper. Stroman Chrome, Martinez Chrome.
Alright, let's see if we get anybody notable in the base. Yu Darvish base, Trevor Bauer base, Sheeny on the dual, Pomeranz Norris in the chrome, Morin refractor, Gaussman base, Dahl chrome, and nobody else really notable there.
Cruz Chrome, Bryce Harper blue paper. I got a duel with Bryce Harper on the right, so that one wins. That's how this one's set up too, right? The one on the right. Bryce Harper Chrome. That's 3 Bryce Harpers in a row so far. Let's go for a 4th. Nope. Griffin Chrome. Bueller Chrome. Is that a?
Joshua Turley Ice.
He was asleep the last couple we've opened. Yes, he was, because he had a funny face. Maybe he was a refractor last time. Roche Chrome,
Trevor
Barnum
Bauer Chrome, Matt Moore Chrome, Prospect.
Let me put these in the box for me. Insert Bryce Harper paper.
Maybe put it down one at a time. Wait where your thing is.
Really? Okay, I've got a dual. Cleveland Indians on the right. Got a Jake Proctor Twins Blue Refractor.
Almora on the right, the Cubs. Courtney Hawkins, Chicago White Sox Blue Refractor auto.
Schaefer Chrome, is that important? Okay, I got a code card.
Not seeing anybody you know in there?
No, I am, but they're paper, so you said they don't matter. Stoltz Chrome. Marlins Duel on the right. Marlins is on the right of the duel. They're not backwards. Jacob Thompson with the Tigers Refractor.
Matt Moore paper. Bill Middlebrooks paper. No idea what
Code card.
Bill Middlebrooks rookie card. Shh.
Who's the autograph?
Mitch Haniger auto. So the third auto is not color. It's Brewers.
He had to refresh and miss the first auto. Who's the first auto?
I'll grab it.
Got it. It's right here. It was Courtney Hawkins, Blue Refractor.
That wasn't the first one?
The first one, Shane Watson Refractor auto. Is that the one you missed?
Yep.
Okay.
Get everything out of here?
Yeah.
Alright, that means hopefully we got some color in one of these last three packs, because there shouldn't be an auto in the last three.
Who's that last autograph you pulled? I wasn't really paying attention.
Mitch Haniger.
Who's he?
Nobody.
Oh. Just my seat a little bit. Haniger and
it's a surprise.
third time's the charm.
Courtney Hawkins, blue, and Shane Watson refractor. I think the good ones are in the next box.
All right, I got a
Not that the blue's bad.
Ron Miller Miami blue paper. And then I got a duel with Courtney Hawkins on the White Sox on the right.
Duel with Springer on the right. Jeffrey Popick, Rockies refractor.
Yu Darvish Chrome. The last one out of that box.
You can go ahead and start opening the next box.
Yeah, no, I was just putting that stuff over there. Oh, I can try to reach this box.
Orioles duel. Got a red ice. AJ Griffin A's.
This is what our fourth break overall, and that's only the second red ice I've seen. I like the red ice better than the regular ice. It's prettier.
Wisdom, Watson. Not quite as exciting as I was expecting. I guess the ice in the jumbo, or I get better odds on a red ice in the autos in the jumbo. I read up on it, but I can't remember it all now.
Ty Hensley Yankees blue paper.
You Darvish paper. Duel with Zunino.
I got a duel with the Mariners on the right.
Victor Roche refractor. The Brewers. Gaussman paper. Zunino paper. Gallo paper.
Murid? Is that interesting? No.
Alright, let's hope for some good color here. I'm gonna move these so get the autos confused.
Oh, from the first.
Just so we know just so we know when we pulled, yeah.
You still sold teams like as if.
Just so we know when we pulled on it.
Okay.
Matt's Moral Ice. This was upside down, but it was nothing special. Tulowitzki fielder.
Okay, I've got a duel with Max Fried from the Padres on the right. Here's an autograph. Nick Williams with the Texas Rangers. Base card. I don't know if I need to. There it is. There it is. I am. I know it's a special one. It's special treatment.
Jacob Wilson, Cardinals Ice, and Almora Cubs on the duel.
Mike Zunino Chrome.
Harper Chrome.
Joey Gallo paper.
Code. No. Man, a lot of base cards in these jumbo packs.
Yeah.
I thought there'd be more chrome cards in there.
I thought there'd be more color. Bryce Harper paper.
Trout on the duel.
Marlins on the right on the duel.
Michael Wacha. I don't know.
Waka.
Cardinals refractor auto.
Steve Clevenger Cubs blue refractor. Code card.
Hoping for some more color in these autos. Alright, we got one more auto this box. We still have 4 more autos to go. Gotta hit something nice
In this box.
in this break.
Okay.
One more in this box. I was able to do another 3 jumbo box break 'cause I ordered 2 more cases and they were able to allocate me 3 more jumbos, which was nice of them.
Here's a duel with the White Sox on the right.
Springer on the right. The Astros. Middlebrooks Chrome.
Braylon Jackson Rays refractor. You just knocked over my pile of cards. Kevin Goose Gausman, Chrome.
You love the say goose, don't you?
Apparently, code card. Rowan Wick. Paper, though.
Bauer paper. More paper. Taking up the whole table, woman.
I can't reach that far back. So.
Orioles duel. And not the best auto for our third one. Max Fried. I was just hoping for some color. Nothing wrong with that for the Padres guy. If he's still in here. Yep, he's still here. Jesse Winker.
I got a duel with the Cardinals on the right. I got a Keon Barnum White Sox refractor.
Duel. Braun Starling going to the Royals. A Jacob Thompson Red Ice, number 24 out of 25.
Yeah, another red ice. That's
I
good.
think the ice odds are better in the jumbo.
That in the box when you get a chance.
Alright, I'm a little disappointed so far in these jumbos.
Alright, last box.
I see blue in this pack coming up. There's the Halton Mariners on the right. Oh no, I lied. It was just a reflection. It's just a regular one. Cespedes Chrome. It's Austin Ayun is what I saw. Sorry to get everybody excited.
Duel with the Indians on the right. Matt Moore Chrome. Mitch Goulier refractor. My favorite face. Kyle Zimmer Chrome. Code card.
See some ice coming up. I think it's just regular ice. Yeah, it is Spencer Edwards of the Rays. And this is the Sheeny duel. Nothing exciting in the chrome there.
Richards Chrome. Xavier Avery blue paper with the O's.
Woohoo! And we've got another ice. Irving Bali. The Royals. Duel with the Marlins on the right. Heaney. Zimmer paper. Sheeny Chrome. Prospect card. Prospect challenge code. Alright, gonna be pulling some autos here.
Bryce Harper paper. I've got a duel with Mike Trout on the right. Brian Dozier gold refractor. Is that good?
Weren't sure. Gold's alright.
Gold's alright.
Duel with Pride Padres on the right. Alright, we got a color auto here
Oh, nice.
coming up.
I know it's an auto.
Joey Gallo. Blue
Hey.
refractor auto.
I recognize that
Some
name.
kind of looks like an inscription or something. Hopefully I'll get it to focus here.
What do you mean by inscription?
I don't know. It says Joey Gallo and then looks like maybe it's a Bible verse or something. I don't know.
Code.
Yeah, let me get it.
Okay. Well, I didn't realize you were putting it in the second one.
It's probably like $100 card. So here you go, Ryan. I got all the Gallos. Sorry, man.
Like
I don't remember who got the Rangers. I don't know if you or Brad got the
The
Rangers.
inscription he's talking about is right below the autograph. It says Topps Certified Autograph Issue.
That's not the inscription. I'm talking about he signed his name and it looks like numbers afterwards.
Oh. No, that's the Gallo. Your numbers
That's the last name?
are the LLO. Isn't his last name Gallo?
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Gallo.
It looks like Joey Gallo, 1476. Maybe it was his birth year or something. 1976.
No, it's
Nice.
the
Probably born like
ALL.
1990.
The ALLO looks
Alright,
like number
well,
2.
I was trying to make it better than it really was.
Yeah, so it could be listed as a 1 of
eBay
1.
1 of 1. That looks like an inscription.
Huh?
It's an eBay 1 of 1. I got purple ice coming up.
Purple ice. That's really good, isn't it?
If you can predict who it is and you have that team, it's yours. Oh, more importantly, Orioles duel. It is a Red Sox purple ice. Jeffrey Wendelken. Wendelken. I don't know. You get the idea. It is numbered 8 out of 10.
I have a Bryce Harper duel. You're beating me in this one.
Well, hopefully we can top that Gallo. It's solid, but if we can top it, that would be nice.
I got the other autograph.
Okay, we're not going to top it.
No, it's a Corey Seager, Los Angeles Dodgers. Peace. Need to make
That's
it.
good enough. It's the base one. Get the purple in a sleeve. It's the first purple ice I've seen.
Tonight has been the first red ice and the first purple ice I've seen.
Alright, down to the last 3 packs here. What do we got? 1 auto to go? 1 auto to go. Really? Okay. Well, let's fix that. They gotta be popular for some reason, right?
Darvish paper.
Will Hurt.
Bauer paper, more paper.
White Sox duel.
James Ramsey Cardinals duel.
Richie Schaefer refractor. Nino base.
David Dahl autograph base.
Dahl's a solid one. Too bad it's not color.
Yeah.
I think you were blocking me there, so let me go back through these couple.
Okay. I had an autograph. I got to block you.
Gallo paper. So they could probably hear me stacking the cards downward.
Oh, yeah, and then they can't see what it is. Alright, you want to do the last pack?
Sure. Can't get this one there.
If you hand me the sleeves, I'll start sleeving these. I don't get to use the box.
There's like 2 left in it. There wasn't much color at all in this jumbo. That's kind of disappointing.
It's actually very disappointing considering they've been sitting there and been looking at it and been like, what's in it?
Oh, an orange paper. It's a Tulowitzki. And an orange paper. It's hard to read the front of these. Mike Madrone, Nationals. Yu Darvish Chrome, Trevor Bauer Chrome. And that is not an exciting pack to end the night on. I think I am more of a fan of the hobby.
I know, I am too.
Of course, this was a lot faster. 27 minutes for 3 boxes. But
For a number of cards, yes.
Alright, we're going to sort these, and I will do the recap on the jumbo here shortly.